1, 2, 3, and 4. Lean. You can then give her a little dip. Bring her back up. Triple step. We started off with leaders going back, back, triple step. The follow walks back and forth on her diving board. The leader is basically a truck that backs out of the way, finishing every pattern, triple step, triple step. After that, we can do a little out, in, following that hand, out, in, causing her to prep her hip, getting into spin zone. 1, 2, triple step, triple step. We then showed how the leader can keep that hand down low. Ladies, keep your hand guarding the girls. Out, in, triple step. We can then rotate her back out. That leader's bringing his right hand back to him. Triple step. 1, 2, triple step. No big deal. Nice little move. We can then give her a high five. 1, 2. Give her that high five. Roll her back out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. We can then use that high five. 1, 2, triple high five for a little lean. Bring her back up. Roll her out. 1, 2, triple step. Everything you learned with a little bonus on the end. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Out, in, triple step, triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Roll her out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Little lean. Bring her back up. And 1, 2 with a little bit of a bonus. Triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lean. You can then give her a little dip. Bring her back up. Triple step. Triple step. 1, 2. I've been DJ John Paul. This has been the Love